Wow, apple cider vinegar shampoo and coconut oil conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care and hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Two premium products with advanced botanical actives for highly effective shampoo and conditioning regimen. Regular use removes scalp buildups, restores shine and smoothness to hair. Suitable for all hair types including color-treated and dandruff-prone hair. Wow shampoo and conditioner is free of harmful sulfates, parabens, mineral oil and alcohol. Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo and coconut oil conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care and hair growth. Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar shampoo powered with 100% pure, unfiltered and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, sweet almond oil and argan oil. It helps gently detoxify the hair and scalp by clearing up the buildups caused by dust, pollution, dead scalp cells and styling products. Raw apple cider vinegar. Rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes, safe and natural antimicrobial, excellent at removing flakes and buildups. Sweet almond oil. Rich in essential fats and vitamin E, nourishes hair and scalp, boosts gloss. Argan oil. Rich in linoleum and omega-6 fatty acids, keeps hair soft and moisturized. Wow Skin Science hair conditioner enriched with cold-pressed virgin coconut and avocado oils and vitamins B5 and A, formulated to efficiently repair and revive weak, thin and damaged hair. Virgin coconut oil. Rich in medium-chain saturated fatty acids that help hydrate the hair and reverse the damage inflicted by heat treatments, pollution and styling products. Rich in lauric acid that checks the growth of bacteria, fungi and viruses. Avocado oil. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and vitamin E, prevents hair breakage, binds split ends, works as a natural sunscreen to save the hair from sun damage. Vitamins B5 and E provide rich antioxidant protection, support healthy hair growth. Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo and coconut oil conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.